Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to use WhatsApp channels. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. WhatsApp has been a popular messaging app that allows businesses and customers to connect via chat, voice calls, or video calls using an end-to-end encryption. WhatsApp will add channels to its platform. WhatsApp channels can serve as an official page for your business that is integrated in the app, where you can share broadcast messages, announcements, high quality photos or videos, stickers, voice recordings, or polls. It offers a private way of following what matters to WhatsApp users. First, discover channels. WhatsApp users can find channels that they want to join in a searchable directory. Meta is working on creating a list of directories where people can discover more channels to follow. So anyone can follow the channels that they like and they are interested in. It is a separate section from chats with friends and communities. WhatsApp users can still join channels through an invite link. Some channels can be set not to be discoverable so that the channel can be accessed only by a selected group of people. Users can discover channels where they can learn something, such as the weather for that day, city volunteers, depending on your location, niche-specific tips, and more. Next, stay informed. As WhatsApp users follow a channel, they can be updated on what these channels are up to. They'll be notified of the latest posts by the admins. Take note that only admins can upload media or posts on a WhatsApp channel. They can be assured that their contact numbers will not be shown to the channel's followers, and users will not be able to reply and comment to those messages or posts that they can find inside a channel. Channels can become a platform where organizations make their announcements to users. WhatsApp users can view a channel section where the channels that they follow will be shown as a list. Under the channel section, the users can view the latest updates or posts shared by the channel. You can view the number of posts that you haven't read yet from that channel and how long ago it was posted. In this example, this channel shows the latest post with a preview, and there are 3 unread posts from 10 minutes ago. So you will know if there are messages from the channel that you haven't read yet. Channels that have a verified badge will have more reliable information to get updates from. WhatsApp users can view a list of channels in this section. Each channel will show a separate window where the users can browse the posts that are shared inside a channel. Next, what to expect on channels. You may not see it yet on your WhatsApp app, but when it's available to your country, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. For now, these are the tabs that you can see. Here are the steps that you need to follow when you want to add a new channel. And you can find the new updates tab on WhatsApp when it's already available in the section. You can look for the plus sign and select New Channel. Tap on the option Get Started and accept updates to the terms and privacy policy. Then add a channel name, but you can change it anytime. WhatsApp channels are available in Colombia and soon in Singapore, so you have to wait when channels are available in your country. Large WhatsApp channels may enjoy the feature of the removal of end-to-end encryption so that their audience will not be limited. Channels may have money-making features as well. In Brazil and Singapore, WhatsApp has allowed its users to pay merchants within the app. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. We have a marketing app that allows you to build high productivity teams with modern workforce analytics and tracking. Work better by monitoring and work tracking. With screenshots, you can learn what's going on and get complete proof that your team is working on what they claim, and see accurate login and logout times of team members. Get work done on time and budget every time. DoTeam allows you to do a project tracking, costing and billing, and fluid team management. Protect your organization via opt-in tracking. It tracks only log time. It offers secure and encrypted data handling. So try DoTeam now. Go to the URL getdoteam.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.